January, but they still got the old tree out. It's like being in a vape store, but in Disney. Alright, we're on the main bridge approaching Cinderella's castle. There's so much going on, man. I can't even begin to fathom. I forgot how convoluted this place was. There's Tomorrow World. They look spring rolls. You like spring rolls, right?
Very smooth.
Anyways, first hit's gonna be Adventureland. Alright, remind me and refresh. What attraction is that Adventureland? Oh,
I've got it.
oh, okay. We joined the virtual queue for Splash Mountain. I mean, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. What? What do you see? Dole Whip? Get it. Or do you want to eat real breakfast first?
I know. That drink was so good.
Oh, it's from the lava thing. The world's saddest mountain story.
What?
So we're going through, I guess, what's family, what the hell is it called? West Robinson Family Treehouse. Oh, I guess we're going through a, dude, that looks fucking dangerous. We gotta climb up the ladder thing?
No.
This is like PE class.
Oh, I know. I've been on this one.
At the Disney World to go on some relaxing rides, not do calisthenics through freaking American Ninja Warrior. Local pet cat just wanted to go on this because it looks like one big freaking cat treehouse. Yeah. So we're getting pretty high up. Hope there's a slide at the end, right? Dude, if this ends up being like a walkthrough thing, I'm gonna be pretty pissed off. All right, so it totally ended up being a walkthrough thing. You want to go down the long way?
The long way?
All right, well, I'm not getting that 10 minutes of my life back.
That was not 10 minutes.
If YouTube's Joy400 was here, he'd have something witty to say. Go, front row, man, just like a roller coaster. So I'm not really sure how much longer I'm gonna have to talk to you guys, but I'm gonna have one spare battery left. Now we gotta go back to the lockers and get the other batteries.
No, por favor, no!
Send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Alright, we just got off Pirates of the Caribbean. What'd you think?
It's okay. I mean, it's a very short kiddie ride.
I think I'm starting to realize what Joey400 was saying in regards to not wanting to come here in the first place. 90% of the rides here are pretty much kiddie gentle rides that are really
There's a big
super
section
thrilling.
of it that is.
Yeah,
but
I mean, it's
not-
got Tron and everything, but
not all of it. That
Thunder
can't be-
Railroad's closed down, unfortunately, so we can't ride on that today. Next up, we're going on Jungle Cruise. We're going on a boat ride. Listen to some dad jokes. All right, ride number 2, Jungle Cruise. It's the ride that's based on the movie that's based on the ride.
Have you seen that movie?
I've never seen the movie yet.
Watched it on the plane.
Is it good? I feel like every movie with The Rock,
It's the same thing.
I'm not gonna lie, it does not look like a 40-minute wait. All right, it's been 40 minutes. We finally made it to the front of Jungle Cruise. Looks like we're getting on the Ganges Gurdi, named after the Ganges River, which is also known as one of the cleanest rivers in the world. It's so clean that people drink out of the Ganges River, River Ganga.
My friends here, how many? 2. Perfect. We're gonna be hanging out right here. We're gonna get you on that next boat, okay?
I figured.
I guess I'm not going to the Ganges Gurdi.
Okay, well, everyone just like that.
Front row seats, dad jokes.
Oh no, a dinosaur. It's pretty cool. It has, I love that dinosaur. It's pretty cool. I never watched it. This right here.
Wow.
This is my friend Skippy. He's an African bull elephant. Yeah. The 1971 Chevy Impalas. I think those are new, and those very, very tall things back there. Those are trees. My friends, if you look to your left, way up there in the jungle, you're gonna see absolutely nothing. Dr. Albert Falls. There comes the guy. Like that always reminds me of the stereo thing. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to.
It was a little hard to watch.
Is the movie a dad jokes? I've never seen the movie
No.
before. First meal of the day is having nachos for breakfast. We're literally eating at a place called Pico's Bill's, whatever. It has the word Pico in it, so that's all that matters. Had to eat here for
That's
the
why you
first-
want to eat
Yeah,
here.
basically. Random Mexican food.
Where's mom going?
Halfway around the park for a lobster roll. Is it ready? Lobster roll? That's diabolical. Fries.
Fries, you stupid. Actually, you know what?
Yo!
Relax.
Really?
8, maybe.
That's pretty good. That's like a B+.
I need some lemon.
All right, so the Haunted Mansion line. What does the standby line say on the app?
It was 20, now it's 40.
See it? So we're almost at the entrance of Haunted Mansion. It's pretty dark in there, so I don't really think I'm going to be able to film a lot of stuff, but I'm going to try.
Finally. How long has it been? 60 minutes? 65?
Our timer says literally 1 hour. Now we're heading to Space Mountain, which is actually a pretty special occasion because I've never been on Space Mountain before.
Okay, you want to go straight to Space Mountain?
Jeez, look at all those wait times.
I mean, it's not
Thank God this
too
app
bad
exists, man. How do
considering.
people do this thing?
I've never been in here.
It's like the White House in there. Where's Obama and Trump at? There it is. Who the hell wears all white to a theme park?
Yo, what the heck?
Hey, at least it matches your outfit. Kitty went to go put the stuff back in the locker. She hated carrying that Hello Kitty jacket around. So we're on the way to Space Mountain first out of the entire trio of rides that we have to hit here in Tomorrowland. And again, I've never been on Space Mountain before.
Crazy.
I was too terrified of roller coasters, like I said before. It was a dark ride, so I chickened out when I was too young. Here I am, at almost 40, about to ride Space Mountain for the first time ever. Apparently the top speed's only 35 miles an hour.
Yeah, it's not scary at all.
But see, now it brings a cool, like, surprising thrill that I'll never experience ever again. But instead of experiencing it when I was 12 years old, I get to do it when I'm almost 40.
55 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, God. What do you do on Space Mountain?
It's not fast. It feels like it's fast only because it's dark. What? I'm so pissed off. Is that what it feels like to be a pinball?
It's probably one of the roughest roller coasters I've ever ridden in my entire life. That's cool. Right is next. Tron?
Tron. Oh my god, it went up 85 minutes.
Apparently this ride's only like 45 seconds long.
Não é, essa parte a gente não pegou, isso que eu falei. A gente não pegou essa parte.
Tron, what do you think?
I liked it, but it was disappointing because it was so short.
We only waited 80 minutes, no, 55 minutes for like a 1 minute and 5 second ride. All right, ride number 7. It's a small world after all. I legitimately have not been on this ride since like 1996. Have you been on this before?
Of course.
Small world.
Times. I highly doubt they've updated it.
It's like the pinnacle Magic Kingdom kid ride that every kid goes on for the first time. It's very creepy. And look at that, we're already on the ride. There's a viral video somewhere on YouTube where some kid on drugs or like acid, where like this dude freaks out and starts climbing on everything. Absolutely drenched, front row. Hopefully a cool picture came back because we were trying to do like rock, paper, scissors. Classic ride. Carousel of Progress. Shows the times from olden days to present.
He loved it. He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family. And he himself was probably as American as anyone could possibly be. He thought it would be fun to watch the American family go through the 20th century, experiencing all the new wonders as they came. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress.
So there's a great big beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow just a dream away. Yeah, it looks like the Robins are getting ready to celebrate Valentine's Day today. What year is it? Oh, right around the turn of the century. Believe me, things couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now as high as 20 stories, and moving pictures flicker up on a big screen. We have almost 8,000 automobiles in this country, and we can travel by train from New York to California in less than 7 days. And I even hear tell about 2 brothers from North Carolina who are working on some kind of flying contraption. It'll never work. Closer to home. Shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Just a dream away. Phew, boy, hottest 4th of July we've had in years. We've come a long way, though, since the turn of the century, over 20-some-odd years ago. You know that pilot fella, Charles Lindbergh? He's about to fly a single-wing airplane all the way across the Atlantic. He's never going to make it. And sports stadiums are springing up all over. And boy, nobody hits that old horse hide like that new fella Babe Ruth. Jazz music is the cat's meow. You know, in my new Essex, I've got an electric starter. Now I don't have to crank. We can travel from New York to Los Angeles by train in only 3 days. And we've got a house full of new electrical servants. Mr. Edison sure added life to our home. Whoa there, you'll blow a fuse. Crap, that's the 3rd one this week. I buy fuses by the case. Great big beautiful tomorrow. Just a dream away. Well, it's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now, and we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes, and thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. I just heard a new term today on the radio. Fella says we've got something now called the rat race. Did you ever hear that one? It sure describes my life. I'm involved in something now called commuting. I drive into the city for work all day and then turn right around and drive all the way back. Every day, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Just a dream away. Isn't it a pleasant holiday? Oh, turkey's in the oven, it's peaceful and quiet.
Yes! 300 points, my best score yet.
Well, it was peaceful until Santa brought that new virtual reality space pilot game.
Your turn, Grandma. Let's switch the image over to the TV so the resident flying ace can show you how it works. Now, it's a little tricky. Just use your game glove to fly behind the other guy and blast him with your laser blaster.
Laser blaster? Well, I'll give it a try.
Take a look around, Grandma. You're in the ship.
Feels like I'm really there.
Okay, get ready. You're about to blast off.
Here goes nothing. Whoa.
All right, here it comes. Oh, you missed him.
Hey, everybody, I'm done programming our new voice activation system.
Now all our household items will do anything we tell them to do.
Great. Hell, a refrigerator.
All right, so we're ending the trip at the world's greatest restaurant ever. This is the only White Castle in Florida. Have you had White Castle before? Like real one? No?
Oh, I've had fake ones.
Like store, yeah, well, the Publix. You can buy this shit at Publix, but it's frozen. You gotta like do the whole dance and defrost it and everything. So yeah, let's get a crave case really quick. The straight edge Asian girl, no smoky, no drinky.
You know what's hilarious?
What?
My friends say that all the time.
Straight edge Asian?
Not the Asian part, because everybody knows I'm fucking Asian. Why would you add that then? What? Huh?
We all kind of look the same, so it's all.
You're right.
Yeah. So you pick something and you add it to your sack. Plus,
Cream soda,
plus-
Coke.
Yeah, you can add that to your sack. It's fucking raining right now, man. It's terrible. I'll take one of these though. So much shit in the trunk, man. Really weird. They put a 5 on the side of the garnish for the window. What'd you get?
The most regular meal.
Good. The most basic thing you can get is probably the best thing you can get here.
Would you like to try our chicken ring slider with cheddar cheese?
No, thank you. Damn, carousel of progress for real.
What can I get for you today?
Can I get a 1 double cheese slider combo with a small French fry and then a small cream soda Coke? Can I also add a 1921 combo?
Sorry, we don't carry the mac and cheese at this time.
Can I add a 1921 combo?
I updated your order. Would you like anything else?
1 Crave case of cheeseburger.